This month I want to feature one of my favorite things, which is food. Hungry for Time is a caterer and personal chef that creates custom meals delivered directly to your door. Think Blue Apron, only the meals are made. They came to us to create an online portal for their weekly orders in order to increase their clientele. We started the project by creating user stories for each person that was visiting the site. Then we needed to create an interface that allowed for easy customization based off of dietary restrictions. We categorized each one of the meals by breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then by clicking on the actual meal title, a pop-up would appear, allowing the visitor to customize the meal and then submit their modifications. At the end of the week, Hungry for Time needed access to this information in a centralized area. In the backend, we created detailed reports of who set the meals, what meals they set, and how many servings they purchased. This allowed Hungry for Time to create a shopping list, packing instructions, and cooking details for them to go into the next week. User interface and backend engineering played a huge part in this website. We were able to create a solution for Hungry for Time that catered to their growth.